So what I actually will do is take and not necessarily trace that design on there, but I'm going to make points. I'm going to actually go in and make little points along the line. So, and I'm just going to kind of go along the design. You probably won't be able to see what I've actually got until I pull the tape off. But here's a neat little tool that I made, and this is actually out of nickel. And nickel is a little bit stiffer and harder, but you know how people in construction use a T-square? Well, I built a little T-square. Look real close. It's just a 90 degrees. It's a perfect 90-degree angle, so that I can go in and actually scribe. So when I get done with this, I'll pull that paper off, and you'll see all those dimples. And then I'll just lay this on there, take a scribe, and scribe the lines so that they're nice and clean. And then I can go in and cut with my saw. So this is a cool tool. Like I said, I've never seen this in the jewelry industry, and it might be out there, but I've never seen one. So I just decided, you know what, I need one, so I'm going to make one. So there you go. And I made it out of nickel, and this is pretty thin. Yeah, it's a tiny square. And this is 6/10 of a millimeter thick. So if it was in silver or copper or something, it'd be pretty flimsy, but it's out of just nickel. So it's a little stiffer. So it's nice and thin, and I can work with it, and it doesn't bend or anything like that. So there you go. Go and get yourself a piece of nickel. Make yourself a tiny square. It's a more intricate design, and you're going to have to put the dots closer together so that you can get the contour. But this one, it's all straight lines, so I could put the dots farther apart and just follow the lines. But yeah, that's how I get stuff. You know, if I'm not milling out or 3D printing or something like that, if I just do a design, like a straight simple design, and I can even do this, I'll take this and tape it or glue it to wax. And same thing, you can go in and you put your little dimples there, and then you pull it off, and you've got the dimples in the wax. And then you can take like a Sharpie or something like that, a black Sharpie, and you paint inside those little dots, and then you can see your design, and then you can start carving away and then follow your design.